how to play Real Racing 3 multiplayer with friends. So if you want to play Real Racing 3 multiplayer with your friends, then what you need to do is first, you need to link the game to your Facebook or Google Play account. This is essential to play multiplayer with your friends. To do this, you need to head to the settings in the game by tapping on the settings icon. After that, choose to link your account by selecting Facebook or Google Play. I recommend Facebook as it makes it easier to find friends. After that, tap on continue and it will ask you for your access. So simply grant the access and you will be automatically connected with Facebook. Once your account is linked, you are all set to invite your friends. Here's how you can invite your friends. You just need to simply go with the online option, which will be in the bottom of your screen, which is right here on the left hand menu to access the multiplayer mode. Next, click on invite, which will be in the top right. You can invite up to 7 friends at a time. If you don't see any friends, it's because you haven't added anyone on your Facebook yet. Your friends who are on Facebook will appear right here. Just select them and send the invites. Once all your friends have accepted the invite, you can tap on Race Now to start playing together. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.